Hey guys, this is just a basic tutorial following the Rustified guide, but I'm going to visualize it for you on how to install a Rust server for yourself. And yeah, it's pretty basic and pretty easy to do. So I'm going to have a link to the Rustified link and to the developer.valvesoftware.com link. They're both pretty useful and give you an idea of how to install. So first you just want to go log in anonymous. You can just type this. You could log into your normal Steam account if you really want to. It doesn't actually matter. So now we're going to go force_install directory. I'm going to install it into a D drive, so rust server, and it's going to force install whatever I want to download into that directory. So I just want the normal version of Rust, which is not the new development branch, it's just the current version everyone plays on. So the new Rust, and I can just paste this in, and it will do a validating process and then start to download the server software. This can take a little while depending on your internet speed. So I'm just going to let this download and then I'll come back and show you guys how to finish it off. Alright guys, once it's downloaded, you want to go to the Steam folder where it downloaded, and you're going to want to create a text document and call it Steam Rust Play or Rust Run Server, and you want to open that text file and you want to copy and paste what I link just here. So this is a guide on Rustified, and it's a pretty good way to get all the commands and stuff. So you're going to copy this, and I'll have this in the description as well as the link to Rustified. You copy this, and then you go save as, run Rust server, you delete .text, and write .bat, and then save it as all files. Once that's saved, you want to go back to the folder, and you're going to want to run that file there. This is going to run the server without running the graphical interface, which does increase the lag on the server, on your computer, not the server. But yeah, it will run a bit faster, and yeah, it's easier to manage from this window. So now it's going to take a little while to load everything up, and it's going to put your Rust server online. So while you're there, you can actually just have a look through all these other guides. It's got information on spawn rates and other server configurations. So it's got a massive list here of commands you can write into the console or put it into your run Rust server bat, so you can have all these things on startup, which is a good way to set up your server, I guess. So there's just a massive list of things you can use, which is really helpful. The server will take a little bit to boot up because it's generating the randomly generated world. So we'll just take a bit. Depending on your CPU brand like AMD or Intel, it might be a bit quicker on Intel machines, but I'm not 100% sure. So now I'm allowing access to server on Be Online. And the server is connected to Steam, so it should be online. So I'm going to open the Steam version of Rust, and I'm going to load it up. Just go fastest. And this might take a little bit to load, so I'll just let it fast forward. Up. Your server should be there with the lowest ping, so mine's got 13, and we should be able to disconnect. And I can tab back if it wants to load. Tab back to the launcher, and the server software, and we should be able to see myself connecting. So guys, once the server's connected, it should say display I've connected from my IP address. I've joined from Windows machine, Windows version, and I'm in game. So as you guys can see, in game, my computer doesn't handle this too well running the server at the same time. It's because I got a bit of a weak CPU. But yeah, pretty much a fully fledged Rust server running. I can't really add anything right now because I'm not really declared as an admin. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's working fine. I'm going to release another video with a bit more configuration settings. This is just going to be a basic setup video. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please check out for that other video. I will try to upload it the same day as this, as yeah, I'm not as dedicated to uploading videos as I can be. So guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully this basic tutorial has helped you out a bit. I'll see you in the next one.